Hey there, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you on a wild ride through our impromptu trip to Thikadi. So picture this, it's a long weekend and we decided to pack our bags and head to the mystical Periyar forest. Buckle up because it's going to be a bumpy and a hilarious ride. So on a Thursday morning, we embarked on an epic 8.5 hours journey to Thekadi. I mean, who doesn't love a spontaneous road trip, right? We reached our destination around 2 p.m., and after that long drive, I was feeling like a human sized noodle. But hey, the fun was just getting started. On the way, we had to do some ninja level hotel booking because, well, who plans all these things in advance, right? We snagged a room at Elms Residency for the night. And let me tell you, the place was clean, cozy, and the staff was very helpful. After freshening up, we were very hungry. So we hit up at a local restaurant for some Kerala thali. The lunch thali was like a food carnival, fish, pickles, dessert, all doing a happy dance in our mouths. It was a flavor explosion. After our lunch, we went for a quick afternoon nap, and for dinner, disaster struck. We had some local bad pizza. Lesson learned, stick to the local delicacies, folks. After a night of questionable pizza dreams, we woke up, pumped up for our bamboo rafting adventure. We pre booked the whole deal through the government website. Little did we know the waiting game was strong. We waited for what felt like a century, and on the top of it, we could not find our guide. Finally, we got things rolling, quite literally, as we started trekking with a guide and a bunch of cool people, most of whom were from different corners of the globe. We were all hyped to spot some wildlife, especially with a forest ranger with us. Well, not much. All we could find was a tiger. No, not a tiger, but a tiger scratch on the tree. That's it. Not a single animal inside. It was like they were playing hide and seek, and we were definitely on the losing side. And finally, it's the time for breakfast. Now I know what you guys are thinking. Jungle breakfast, exciting, right? Well, it turned out to be a simple affair. Toast, bananas, and a side of disappointment because we were not still able to spot any animals. But hey, the toast was toasty and the bananas, well, they were bananas. It might not have been a gourmet feast, but it did the job of filling us up for the day's adventures. And I almost forgot to mention this. Before we embarked on our jungle trek, the organizers handed over this nifty little bags filled with fruits and water. It was such a thoughtful gesture. And it's time to talk about the second part of our adventure at Periyar. So this was about the bamboo rafting. We were floating on this rustic, handmade bamboo rafts surrounded by the tranquil waters of Periyar Lake. The whole scene was like something out of a dream, serene, calm, and absolutely beautiful. The rafts themselves were a sight to behold. Crafted from bamboo, they had this charming rustic vibe that made the whole experience feel like a journey back in time. As we glided along, the lush greenery of the surrounding forest created a mesmerizing backdrop, and the occasional sighting of some birds added a touch of wildlife magic to the scene. Now, here's the funny part. We were all eagerly hoping to spot some animals during the rafting adventure, but it seemed like the creatures were playing an epic game of hide and seek. It was like they had all collectively decided to take a day off from the spotlight. So while we did not get to see any wildlife up close, we still soaked in the breathtaking views of the water. So if you're in the mood for a serene, unique adventure, then a bamboo rafting excursion in Periyar is definitely worth considering. It is a blend of natural beauty and a dash of adventure that makes sure that your trip to Thekadi becomes very memorable. So if you're ever finding yourself planning for a jungle expedition to Periyar, remember this: good shoes are worth their weight in gold. Trust me, your feet will thank you and you'll be ready to tackle whatever wild adventures that comes your way. So remember how I mentioned the hotel booking situation earlier? Well, after our wild jungle exploits, I miraculously managed to book a resort for the next 2 days. It was like this time we scored big time. The place was gorgeous with beautiful cottages right on the main road. It was as if we stumbled upon a hidden gem in the middle of all this chaos. We were so tired from our adventures that we pretty much crashed as soon as we checked in. Dinner? Oh, we had it in our room, but we were content. We had a beautiful day at the forest. But fear not, my friends, the next episode is going to be a riot. And I can't wait to share all the wonderful things that we got to do during our stay at this charming little resort. So if you're curious about how the rest of our Thekadi vacation turned out to be, stay tuned for the next episode. It's going to be a roller coaster of unexpected moments, and I can't wait to bring you all along the ride. See you soon, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want us to join in on the fun. Take care and lots of love.